My name is Jordan Wilmot. I'm from Jamaica. My school is Alma. This school has taught me it started my career as a chef. Without Alma, I wouldn't have the opportunities that I have today. I got to work at a Michelin star restaurant, and hopefully I get to continue working at Michelin star restaurants. When I think about Alma, the best for me is how it brings people from all over the world together to learn about something that we all care about, we all share a passion for, which is Italian cuisine. And just from the sheer number of people I've met during my stay here, it's been incredible. I've learned so many things about Malaysia, about India, about Mozambique, and I've met friends that I'm gonna have forever, and hopefully connections that I have forever, and I can use to, start businesses, work with them, hopefully spread what we've learned here and continue on a great path.
My name is Krešimir Oblak. I come from Croatia, come from school Culinary. I finished Alma with a great experience in the school, great experience from my stage. I meet in Alma so great friend and so great professor. He's professional. I decided to stay in Italy because I feel it's not so much different than my country. I feel so good. It's people. It's similar, and I like to stay here and work for my career because now I'm in one restaurant, Michelin star, and I want to grow more.
I'm Muhammad Karanas Anwar. I'm from Brunei. I study in KDU, and now they transferred me to Alma. About Italy, I really love. It's a good experience in Italy. It shows that food and history, it's mixed together. It's the culture. Italian culture is the food and history. It's connected. The food is really simple, but the ingredients, you need a good ingredients and product. So and my experience in Italy, in Alma, and my stage, it was amazing, and I get to learn a lot. So that's where I learn pretty much all the Italian food, most of Italian food. At Alma as a school, it's basically all the professor. They teach us professionally. Even for the history, they give us field trips, which is really good. It gave me an interest to know more. So it's not just history. The history is connected with the kitchen, along with the chef. So it's the food and the history, it's connected. So that's what I like about Alma. The history and the food, the teaching, the way they teach, it's really, even the staff, they handle us really good. So yeah, that's from me.
Binita Devnath from India joined Alma School, and the collaboration from Indian school is AIMS in Bengaluru, India. And Alma has given me a wonderful experience learning Italian cuisine, culture, food gastronomy, modern and the historical together here. I have a little bit of Italy to take with me back to my family and the people in India. The best thing about Alma is it gives you the real experience of food. It doesn't go too modern or too ancient. It gives you the right balance of cuisine, which is authentic, real, modest and humble.
My name is Debanjan Biswas. I am from Calcutta, India. The best thing about Alma is I would like to say about the location where the institute is located. It's a lot of history around this palace, and Italy was very special to me during my studies in the school and my stage. They're very exciting, a lot of experience. I get to learn a lot of things from my stage and the school, and I'm taking a lot of culture, the Italian culture, back to my family in India. And in future, if I start my own business, I will try to apply those culture and apply those techniques in my, and will try to do a lot good more.
So my name is Brennan Shin. I'm from Malaysia. I come from KD University College. So the thing I took away from Alma was definitely the Italian cuisine, the history, the culture, the tradition behind everything. I feel that it's definitely put some importance in my mind of how important tradition is, especially in Italian cuisine. You can definitely see how tradition has passed down onwards from the nonnas to the children, and how they spend Sunday evening making a brunch or dinner. In Italy, as well as Alma, has definitely taught me the importance of why tradition is important and why we can sort of change it, but also keep its roots in culinary cuisine.
So my name is Dean Hassan. I come from Mozambique and I'm 24 years of age. I started first my culinary experience in Alma. Of course, I've worked before. It was an amazing approach to Italian cuisine, and I am really grateful for all the people that helped me through my experience and helped me develop and helped me grow in all the time that I've been here. And it's been enlightening and very exciting. Italy is a very exciting place, and Alma is a very spectacular place in itself.